Is remote collaboration a headache for your team? Microsoft Loop offers a simple solution by providing easy to use tools that you can use together with your familiar daily app like Microsoft Outlook or Microsoft Teams. So, in this video, we'll explore the feature of Loop and show you how to leverage its capabilities to streamline your team's workflow and achieve better productivity. Microsoft Loop is a powerful new tool that is catered for real-time collaboration. It's built to help us to collaborate with our teams. You see, now it's not going to replace other things like OneNote or Excel. Yeah, later I'm going to show you the capability of this Microsoft Loop. Yep. Now it is kind of like you have a page and then you can insert many different components in there. Later I will show you all the components and all these components when it's shared among your team members, especially through the common apps that we use like Microsoft Outlook or Teams, so that when you send it out to your team members, they can actually go in there and fill in the information and you can see that updated real time in your Loop page. Okay, so basically, let me just go into the Microsoft Loop page, right? So this is my Microsoft Loop page. And what you can see here, let me just create a new one, right? So let's create a new, let me go in here and then I'll just create a new page. Okay, and create a new page. Now, the beauty is that you can use this to create, let's say I especially use this for a lot of project management. Yeah. Now, but you can use this for a lot of things. At the bottom here, you will see you can create your project brief, team decision making, and a lot more. Yeah. So let's say here I want to have call it dashboard. Okay. Now over here, if you want to add all the components, just slash, you can see all the components right over here. Yeah. Now this is a new tools, and over time, Microsoft is adding more and more component in there. So if I want to, I can even create a table right over here. So I want to have a table and then I want to share this table to my team members. So what I can do right over here, okay, I can go in and change it, right? I can put in a title, yeah, table one, and then I can just highlight this whole thing and I can create a loop components. So this is a loop components. And then I can just copy this component. Okay, let's say I want to send it through the Outlook. So I can just go into my Outlook. Let's say I have an email. I can just paste it right over here. You see this component, copy and paste it into your email. And then you can send it out to your team members, right? And ask them to fill in this. So, okay, so now it's up already. And then you can write in your email, please fill in this. All right. So now, once your team members fill in the blanks or wherever, anyone can fill in at the same time. It doesn't need to resend. So if I have 5 team members, I don't have to get like team member number 1 to fill in, then send to team member number 2, number 3, and so on. So everyone can fill in at the same time. And you can actually see them in your page right over here. If someone fill in that, let's say someone is filling in here, XYZ, okay, to be C. Yeah. Now I didn't send it out, but if I send it out, okay, it should be the same thing, right? Anyone can type in and fill in all the fields over here. Okay, they can add on over here. And you should be able to see it right on your loop page. So look at me, loop page here. You see that, right? So I see ABC. It's updated real time. Maybe a little bit lack of like 1 second or so, right? So, but this you can see all these things being filled out. Okay, so it's a very good tool for you to collaborate with your team members. So you don't have to worry like this is the right version or the latest version or not. Now, besides this, you can see it has a lot of other things as well. Let me go into the components. You can create like checklists, bullet lists, right? And okay, the one I like is you even have these templates, right? If I want to have something like voting tables, so you see, once click, it automatically creates for you. Of course, you can go in here and change. Understand? So you have ideas, and then let's say ideas for an event. So anyone can have this, right? So I want to have this event by the beach, right? So I can add relax and then people can basically comes and votes. So you can have because it's relaxing. Now I can have multiple bullet points in one table, right? Inside one cell, the table cell, right? Relax, okay, fun or whatever. Then people can come in here and vote for it. All I need is just turn this into a component like what you just do here, and then I can share it out, right? So let's do one more time here. Okay, and then I can create loop component, right? So here, copy. Now this time I'm going to show you in Teams, right? Let's say this is a Teams. I can put in here, or you can put in the chat as well. So control and paste, right? So I will have these components right over here. You see that, right? Okay, please vote. So when voting, something like this. Then I can just post it, you see. So all the team members can come in and vote for it. Now they can even come in and add on more ideas and so on. This is the powerful tools, okay? Microsoft Loop. Now even today you can put it in like OneNote and a lot of other Microsoft related apps. So there are a lot other components. Now I'm not going to go through that. So you guys can go through that. If not, watch this video that I created earlier to talk about all the different types of components. Yeah. So test it out. You see, all these are ready-made templates. Yeah. If you are expert, then you can start, from blank. But if you're not, try to use this first. Yeah. I can do like progress tracker. You can see all this template is ready. Or I can do uh, the Kanban trackers, okay, which is my favorite for project management. Yep. So try it out. Yep. Now, these are good things that you can use, especially for creating like meeting notes and sharing with all the team members, brainstorming, project planning and tracking, or even task planning and tracking for your own teams. So try it out. And if you have questions, do leave a comments right below and I'll try my best to answer you. By the way, I'm Andrew. If you like this type of productivity videos, do subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so that every week when we publish new content, you'll be notified. And meanwhile, here's some other videos that I created earlier. Hope it can help you to become more productive and grow your career. I'll see you real soon in my next video.